In today's video, I'll be replacing this hood prop rod with a set of gas struts. It's a quick upgrade that makes opening your hood a lot more smoother. So I ordered this part online, it arrived, but it also arrived with no instructions, which kind of makes this a little intimidating if you don't know exactly what you're doing. But no worries, I'm going to walk you through it. So the first question is, where's it going to go and how's it going to be held in place? So the kit I ordered doesn't require any drilling. It uses the existing bolts already on the vehicle. So first, I'm going to be starting on the passenger side while the hood prop is still supporting everything. You're going to remove the bolt on the top of the fender, and then you're going to remove the two nuts on the hinge that holds the hood in place. The socket for the bolt on the top of the fender is a 10mm, and the socket size for the nuts that hold the hood to the hinge is a 12mm. Now, line up the small bracket. Make sure the ball stud is facing inward and tighten it. And it should look like this. Now, it's time to remove the two nuts that are holding the hood to the hinge. And that's a 12mm socket. After both of those are removed, it's time to fit the top bracket. You want to install your bracket to where the ball stud is facing outward. Then it's time to put both of the nuts back on and tighten it back down. Now take the strut. The larger end goes towards the hood, and then snap it onto the ball studs. It should click into place with a little pressure. Now, we're going to do the exact same thing, but on the driver's side. Now with the struts installed, it's time to remove the old hood prop, as we won't be needing that anymore. To remove the rod, you should be able to tilt it and then wiggle it out. And don't forget to remove the prop rod support piece, otherwise your hood will not seat properly. And all I did was wiggle it and pull it out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.